Barely 6 days after a boat mishap that claimed 16 lives in Ogbaru local government area of Anambra state, 7 communities in the area have become trapped following the collapse of the only bridge connecting them to other communities as well as the rest of the state. The affected communities include Mkputu, Osomala, Umunankwo, Ogu Aniocha, Obagwe, Akiliogidi, and Ogwikbele. According to the residents in the area, the bridge, which its structure started wobbling since last Friday's boat accident, finally caved in the morning of Wednesday, October 12, 2022. When News Express correspondent visited the area, it was a total disaster as water has totally submerged most of the houses in the area. In some parts, as a matter of fact, you could only see the roof to show there was a house in that place. Some of the tall buildings have been submerged. For instance, a 2-story building had the first floor already sank in the water, and a boy was seen swimming around the house. I don't know if he was trying to escape, but he was just having fun. I don't know, but it was a total disaster. The area deserves help by all means. And Ogbaru is one of the food baskets of Anambra state. So when stuff like this happen to them, it costs them, apart from cutting them off, it destroys their produce, because they majorly produce mostly they get vegetables, they get yam, and with this flood it hampers their produce. Again, this flood disaster is a yearly occurrence which government is yet to nip in the bud. It's as a result of the overflow of the river Niger, which also affects the neighboring state delta. For now, relief camps have been built. It's a yearly occurrence, and every year relief camps are built with NEMA, SEMA providing palliatives. But to a former member of the House of Representatives, Honorable Afam Ogene, he said, and I quote, "The string of calamities currently being experienced by my people goes beyond palliatives and relief materials by SEMA and NEMA. We are in dire straits, and the Anambra state government must step in and declare an emergency." And that is what it is. It's a total disaster. To be honest, I'm short of words. The people are in dire need of help. It's not only about giving palliatives, it's not only about providing relief material. The area needs to be taken care of. The government needs to find a way to stop this overflow that is currently a yearly affair. Pamela Ebo reporting for News Express TV, Nigeria.